Today, we dive into 5 of the most dangerous workplace incidents you've never seen before. Moments where one small mistake turned routine work into disaster. Stay with us, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more life-saving lessons. Number 5. In a high-speed factory, a worker leans toward a huge spinning metal cylinder. In a split second, his loose sleeve touches the rotating shaft, then suddenly wraps around it. The powerful machine yanks his arm and spins him violently before he even realizes what happened. Never wear loose clothing or reach near exposed rotating machinery. One tiny piece of fabric can be enough for the machine to grab and pull you in instantly. Secure your clothing, keep your distance, and respect moving machines because they never slow down for human mistakes. Number 4. At a busy transit platform, several workers move a large upright glass panel when it suddenly tilts off balance and swings sideways toward the walkway. Use mechanical handling frames and suction supports when transporting oversized glass. Manual balance is not enough. Large glass sheets have a high center of gravity and minimal tolerance for angular shift. Once the load passes its balance point, gravity creates rotational torque that rapidly accelerates the panel sideways beyond human control. Size multiplies instability. Control the load with the right equipment, because once glass tips, momentum takes over. Number 3. Inside a warehouse, a worker tries to lift a heavy industrial roll-up door by hand. As he pushes the large blue curtain upward, something suddenly snaps. In an instant, the entire overhead door drops down like a guillotine, barely missing his head. Never stand directly under a heavy overhead door while lifting it manually. Always check that the springs, cables, and safety locks are working properly. A single mechanical failure can turn a simple task into a deadly hazard. Stay out of the fall zone and always inspect the mechanism first. Number 2. Inside a tall industrial facility, a worker makes a risky choice. He climbs onto a massive steel pipe as a crane lifts it across a deep concrete pit. For a moment, it seems to work, but suddenly the rigging slips. In an instant, the pipe drops, sending the worker plunging into the darkness below. Never ride a suspended load or stand beneath it. Cranes are made to lift materials, not people. Stay out of the drop zone and use proper ladders or lifts. One shortcut can turn into a deadly fall. Number 1. On the edge of a flatbed truck, a worker pulls a single plank from a tall, unsecured stack of lumber. For a second, nothing happens. Then suddenly, the whole pile shifts. In a split second, hundreds of pounds of wood collapse and bury him. Never remove materials from the bottom or side of an unsecured stack. Always unload from the top and secure the load first. One loose plank can trigger the collapse of an entire stack. Stay clear of the fall zone and never trust an unbraced load. Don't forget to share what you learned today in the comments. Your insight could save a life. Take care.